All right, so an angle, if we're going to define, if we're going to talk about what it looks like, an angle is two rays that have a common or shared endpoint. And remember, a ray has a dot, a line, and an arrow. It goes on forever. An angle. An angle is two rays. So there's ray number 1. And here's ray number 2. But they have the same endpoint. They share the same point. An angle, two rays that have a common shared endpoint. That's an angle. What are angles measured in? Degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. Right, the little 0 up top. And the basis, the idea of angles, this whole thing is based on a circle. How many degrees are in a circle? 360 degrees. So if you've got that, if you understand that a full circle is 180 degrees, no, 360 degrees, you can apply this. Okay. There are 4 types of angles, 4 named angles. There's acute angle. There is a right angle. There is an obtuse angle. And there is a straight angle. Acute angles measure between 0 and 90 degrees. They're between 0 and 90 degrees. So Landon's right. 89 degrees, yes, is acute. 89.9 degrees is acute. 90 degrees is not. It must be between. It's not an equal to sign, right? If I was going to write this as an inequality, I would put 0, right? I would not put the equal to bars. A right angle measures 90 degrees, exactly. It's sometimes shown by what symbol? Yeah, a square in the corner. Right, a box, a square. An obtuse angle, what?
Bigger than 90 and less than 80. 180.
What?
180.
Measures between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, which again, if I was going to write that using inequalities, it would be 90 and 180, right? No equal to signs. It must be between. 91 is obtuse. 90.000003 is obtuse. It has to be between those two values. A straight angle is measures 180 degrees. Now, here's the misconception. If you look at the straight angle on our classroom poster, most straight angles are shown horizontally. But it could be vertical, it could be diagonal. Right? It does not have to be a horizontal line. The last one is the reflex, which is kind of sometimes a new idea. And the reflex is the outside of an angle. The reflex is the outside measurement. It's greater than 180 degrees. Like if you have an obtuse angle and you do like the whoop all the way around the outside, that's the reflex. So like, here's my angle. The reflex is this part. Or here's my angle. The reflex is this part. The reflex is gigantic. The reflex will always be greater than 180 degrees. Types of angles, right? So we know that an angle has a common endpoint. It's measured in degrees. It's based off of circles, which are 360. We have acute angles, we have right angles, we have obtuse angles, we have straight angles, we have the reflex of an angle. We good? Okay, so